See what I on this one make it.
Let me see, mama. Let's see it. I have to sleep early tonight. I never got my bed till 6 o'clock this morning. I come I have to go buy a new phone. Not here now. Tonight, I never got my bed till 6 o'clock this morning. Hey guys! Why am I just strong as I say, look here, I forgot to see what my best to them I deal with. I feel tired. Can I get a shout out? Syria bad bitch 9. Big up yourself. Tank_Gigi. Big up. Miss Silvera, I miss you too. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? How's your day? How's the planning for the new year? We are approaching 2022. I'm super excited. Somebody said me can't hear. I can't hear. I'm alone. I forgot to come off of the phone. I can't bother. Because I think something wrong with my phone. Because I'm not keep on a son not hear me. Somebody said if I'm tired. You don't know if I'm lean up. Tired, bad. Actually had a long night yesterday. I never really sleep last night. Actually slept at 6 o'clock in the morning, but I got up at 8. So I got 3 hours, which was good. But somebody said, I can't hear him, I can't hear him. I can't bother. If phone can't hear me, I feel like something wrong with my phone. Somebody said, I'm hearing, we're hearing. So someone said, I'm not here. How are you? I hear the feedback. That's why it's telling me. Grassenor said, I'm hearing. Big up Grassenor. My outfit is messy, but you know how we do. Big up Grassenor. Taylor Ann say, your phone is fine. Anyway, so what's up, guys? How is your day? What's the plan for 2022? What are we going to do? If one more somebody say, them can't hear me, I could come off of the live. Come in and know I'm to my phone. Me can't hear. I feel them phone no good. I'm hearing. Akeem Crocs, big up yourself. God bless Shorty. I love you. Shaniqua Christian, why you love watch out? Shaniqua Christian, where are you? You can't tell me say you don't have no man now. We know everything change. You cannot say you don't have no man now. Everything change. Somebody come back again, come say, I'm not hearing you. Somebody say loud and clear. Me come like the people them say to know for mad me. I go come out for the live because in Jesus' name I don't want nobody would gonna drive me crazy. Some are here and some not here. So what me I gonna do now? Me have to let go right here, so God know. Shaniqua Christian, me have to let go here, so. Okay, so let's talk about a few things, guys. I soon start asking questions already. I'm never telling them I come for the Q&A. So since as you want us to do some Q&A, drop the questions and I'll answer them real quick. I was just checking in on you guys just to send some positive vibrations and positive love. Just to say 2022 is coming. Set your mood boards. Work on your dreams. Everything that you want to achieve. Write them down. Speak it into existence. Pray hard and just believe in yourself. I wanted to drop some gem because it's December. And when you look, it's going to be January. So you need to start making your plans from now, this year. You don't know so that, you know, you can achieve what you set out for because you don't know. Them say anything you want in a life, you have to ask feet. You have to work feet. You have to work towards it. Remember me say money not have foot. So you have to walk, go look feet. So I just wanted to send some love because, you know, it's been a beautiful day. I've been having some beautiful days, even though I'm tired, but the work never stop. And me a woman, I care me have it, me always keep on grinding. Will you ever come to Boston to perform? I think I will be in Boston next year. Somebody said more money, more life, richer and richer. More life for this other thing there. Pan the roof, helicopter filling up there, escalator, yeah? Instead of Bentley, Lamborghini, Bugatti, and couple Bentley. More money, more life, more money. Brrr. Big up Skilly Bang. Grammy nominated queen. I like it. Somebody say, why you don't like showing your natural hair? I actually show my natural hair all the time. You probably just don't see it, but I don't sport my natural hair. I'm always wearing a wig, but my natural hair is pretty thick and healthy. I just choose not to wear my natural hair. But I do have healthy, thick hair under these wigs that I do actually take care of. Somebody said they want more money. Yes, we want more money, but what are we doing to get this money? So you got to write down. All right, you have to say, listen now, you want more money? What you going to do to get the money? You have to write it down. You have to set your plan and you have to put the action. Because remember, you know, if you say the apple are going to make you get money, you have to say, all right, how am I going to get the apple? Then you have to say, when we get the apple, what am I going to do with the apple? And after you do that with the apple and you make the money, you have to say, what am I going to do with it? Because a lot of people don't realize that money in the bank is not no money. I don't think a lot of you realize that money in the bank is not no money. Because you have to realize that if you have money in the bank, and God forbid something happen to you, you spend out the money just done so, one go. Remember, money no come ask you a question, you know. Money not gonna ask you, say, you think you're sick today? You think your car for crash today? You think this will happen today? Money no ask question. Money just take up itself and bloop. One go and money done. So you always have to learn to invest your money when you make your money, and you got to know how to make your money make money for you. It's very important that you learn that, because I feel like us growing up, that's all they taught us. Save your money, work, make your money, save your money. It's good to save your money, but the real truth is when you make your money, you got to learn how to invest that money. You got to invest it. You got to make that money make money for you. Okay? So we got to change our mindset of thinking that looking at money in the bank is smart. It's not. Because the people in the bank just laugh when you come with the money, because they are using your money to make money. So the longer your money sits in the bank, it's better for the bank, not for you. So take your money and invest it, and make sure, say, your money can, gain multiple incomes. Try to get multiple streams of income and all of them something there. I just said that for day. Don't make looking at the bank and say money pretty. Once something happen, boop, money done. So use your money and invest it wisely. What's the other question, guys? You see, I'm always busy. Sometimes when I find time, I like to just spend it with my fans when I do have a minute or a second, because I've been ripping and grinding. I'm not sure if I keep saying this. I was kind of missing off of Instagram, for the past week, because I've just been so busy. But like, I have some time now. Let's talk. What do you guys want to know? You can ask me some questions. Let's drop some gem. I'm in the house with my sister. I'm super excited, and she's pregnant. She's going to have a baby for me. She's just carrying the baby for me just for a few little months. My mom is here. Big up Mama Jella. I always hear me talk about Mama Jella. I get my nice fried dumpling a morning time. Make the woman fried dumpling till she's tired. Every morning, I wake up, I get fried dumpling. Mommy, you can fried dumpling? A beer fried dumpling I eat from what day, yeah. Jesus. Right now, my belly full of fried dumpling. Every morning, I wake up. Nobody can have fried dumpling like my mother. Nice, soft dumpling. I tell the woman to teach me how to make the dumpling. One thing with me, because I'm a chef. I'm a big top cooker. I ask you. When me ready for go down in the kitchen and cook, finger, lick off and so. But me can't fry dumpling. Because when me fry the dumpling, the outside I fry and the inside of the middle not fry yet. And my mother said I must turn on the stove and I must make the flour very light. I must make the flour very soft and very light. Burn up right through. So I leave it alone. So now that my mom is here, I make sure fry dumpling every morning. I'm very sorry. Every morning. Fry dumpling and Milo tea. Jesus, Milo. Milo have to sponsor me. Jesus. I go to one place in Atlanta. I look at Jamaica store. I see Milo. I pick up Milo. Jesus. I pick up Milo. I say. Fry dumpling and Milo tea. Listen. All the people who is not from Jamaica that's on this live. You need to go to a Jamaican grocery store and ask for Milo. Ask for Milo and use it, make a tea. Chisam! Milo, white national slice bread. Chisam! Where's the pen? No, man, Milo after sponsor me. I love Milo. And national bread. Me don't know, I'm a joker. Me never say something I love so. But I think they sent me some goodies. I can't remember. They did. And it was so sweet and thoughtful. And I sat with my basket and I was so selfish. I never gave it to anyone. I said, one big old basket. And to everybody said, give me the basket, they call and beg. Me never give. Me couldn't act. I was very selfish with my supplies. But me love it. Me love it bad. But big up Mama Jella. You don't know the thing or the struggle is real. Far where I come from. My nice clean mother. Milo did send one basket. Shanika, you know my business, you see? Mama, come say hi to the people there. Many people them see you. Just say hi. Let me turn the camera. I want to see my mother. My mother never see my mother yet. It's a big life, this, you know. Remember, it's a big moment, this, you know. My mother is a Christian lady, you know. You notice when I post my mother, you notice me in the rubs. All right, it's a very big moment. Hold on. Oh, you flip the camera here. Watch your son now. Watch my nice, clean mother.
Hi, hello. How are you?
Say better to tell people them big up.
Yeah, say hello.
Watch grassy nor pa my mother. Watch nice grassy nor pa my mother. I want to know about this. My nice clean mother. Crazy. Want to know how that? Big up mama. Big thing. It's a big moment. Grassy senor. Remember, so I still go look for the lady when I go do the grassy senor line, you know. For the older ladies, you know, the mothers and the grandmothers, grassy senor. Yes, stay good for my mother. Big up Mama Jella. My inspiration, you don't know the thing go. Remember watch a lady turn half pound of rice into many. Work miracle. Yeah. Them say your son is your mom's twin. Kim Possible Waterhouse. Alright, go. Big up MK Any, you know. Me just see MK Any rolling in a this. Alright, go, Kim. Are you making a new album soon? 2022. 2022. Your son looks like your mom. Can we expect some other music next year? Okay, yes, Spice, a true attack. Mandea. Coming to Ghana. I'm not tell a lie, I miss Ghana though. Somebody say you bake yet? The cake them done, mama?
Long time.
Me eat half the whole of the cake them. Me, Gracie, half a fat. Me not tell a lie. Me eat 6 cake. My mother bake one day after Thanksgiving. Me eat 6 cake. Me make sure look pan Justin and I say, Justin, me explain something to you. You see them Christmas cake here, cause my mother bake. the Christmas cake. We call the black cake them, the fruit cake them, Jamaica cake. Mother be about 10 of them. And remember, me tell you, say, for the people that want to follow me long time, I know how me used to hide the Christmas cake under the bed when me go to Jamaica. My mother, they are foreign with me now. And when the woman bake, me just look on Justin. Because I remember say the man knew to certain little things, so you have to explain to him. Me just say, Justin, let me explain something to you. More show you the baking thing. Me say, you see that cake here? I'm going to give you a slice. I'm cut a little slice. You eat the slice, no matter fall in love with the cake. So, when you get the slice, you take the one little slice and just make that little slice they serve you. And me just look at him and say, Justin, if I eat off one of the cake, you gonna look at me a certain type of way? He said, what do you mean? I say, I just want to know, like, if you sit there and I eat like a whole baking tin. The whole tin of cake. Oh, you have to feel about it. Because sometimes you have to reason them and hear what them are saying. You understand? You have to listen. You have to listen. Sometimes you have to throw little words and hear if the man are going to say, oh, that's crazy. You can't eat a whole cake. That's not a good look or whatever. So I just throw it out there to hear what them are going to say. I'm still going to eat off the whole tin of cake. Slice them up fine. I slice them up fine. I eat off the one tin of cake. My mother, baking and dumpling, you're crazy. But I tell mama to teach me how to bake the cake, you know. I tell her to teach me how to bake the dumpling. So one day we're going to go on live when mother fry dumpling or when she bake. Because mama Jella cooking and a normal something. May I tell you? At a rice, Grammy selector, big up yourself, rice. How it go? How it go? See, Chris says she understand. Chris says she understand. Me like how you understand. Me eat after one tin of cake, one go. A couple hour after that, the next tin. I just the truth. My mother cake bad and nice and soft, and when the woman throw look up, Jesus. Yeah, me sorry to me eat it off. I could have shown her the tin. Soft and bouncy, man. Then somebody can bake cake and just a bounce so just fluffy so. Me never know. Me never know. Mama, where you put it like make it so fluffy? Make it so moist.
No,
The butter?
make it moist.
Oh.
Make it soft. And when it finish bake, me not open it up to breeze. Cause when you open it up to the breeze, it get dry. So I just cover it up hot.
What you say? So you cover it up with the foil.
Yes, cover it up. That's it done. Because when you take it over the oven, it's to get dry and crispy. So you have to just cover it up hot and let it steam back and get back moist.
So you put butter in it?
Yes, it have to bake with butter.
No, but how you think in it when me so like it? Can remember everybody bake the same cake, but it not taste like your one. So you have a secret to it or something. Everybody bake that cake. Them all buy it from the people. Then will walk and sell it. But when you bake it, mama.
Everybody cook different tastes and things like that. Everybody cook different.
Something with your baking, mama. Trust me.
Yes, just as I said, everybody cook different, bake different, and do things different in their cooking.
Something with your cooking. Cause remember, you come cook. I wish you come cook one day, yeah. And just did that, but it's who cook. It's who cook. Me just say, hey. It's just my mother cook better than me not cooking again for you. So you try to eat the fish.
I'm gone.
You try to eat the fish and go on, you know. Yeah. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Money Green, say your mom is beautiful. Thank you. Your mom look like a very easygoing person.
Well,
Freddy's, what you have to say about that? What you have to say about that?
she's very easygoing.
Oh, no lie.
Some days. And some days.
Listen, this is a Christian woman that will consult you. Mama said, don't say that. My mother very easygoing. Me not know who mouth me. So who mouth me get then, mama? If you then say you look easy going and nice, who me stay like?
No, your father ain't terribly.
Where's the mama?
Your dad was love to talk and things like that.
So
So when you try to Gracie love to
So
talk.
when I say me like to
Yes, so you love to talk.
mama, where's the a daddy mouth me get?
Yes.
She's saying you love to talk.
So when daddy terrible. Daddy trace people. What how it go? Come on, you have to tell me when me get that. Me have a different kind of attitude. I'm gonna go from 0 to 100 real quick. I mean, no, if I know you me get it from.
Yeah, your father did nice, but it was very outspoken and he was a very no nonsense man. Yes.
So him make me love cuss so.
Theme fault.
I think so.
Jesus God.
I think so.
So when you not blame me, you know, I feel like says me. It come from early spring. It come from very early spring. So before me even born, the man make me stay so. Yeah, I'm a father make me stay so. May I tell you? Daddy mouth me have. Yeah, I'm a father make me stay so. So from very early, may I tell you?
He was a plain man, very plain.
Where is it, mama?
Yes, he'll look in your eye and tell you the truth. He was a very, very plain, outspoken man.
Very plain.
Very plain.
And that's why they not like me, because I have to just start the truth and tell you right to your face, there and then. Get it over with.
Yes, but sometimes you have to hold back the truth because sometimes the truth hurts. I don't know, everybody like to hear the truth.
Right.
So sometimes you have to hold back your speech sometimes.
Which is where you always are telling me. But mama now, listen, sometimes when the people them talk the things them, you know, and it burn you to the core, you know. Oh, you have to hold back your mouth now and just not say nothing.
Yes, you cannot say nothing sometimes.
Mm.
You cannot say nothing sometimes.
You hear it from my mother. So every time we in a problem with people, and my mother just say, Gracie, don't answer me. Say, Mama, me have to say something. Mama, me have to talk. Mama, me I go answer. Mama, me have to talk. And mama, they plan, no, Gracie, sometimes you just leave people alone to them time and let them talk. You're not leaving them. Me not leaving them. Me not leaving them. So all of you that they kill up on yourself, it don't make no sense to nobody comment and say, oh, Spice is bigger than this. I am not big. I am not big. Me not bigger than it.
Small.
Me very small. Me very small. Me have to answer. Me not big.
No, Grace, not everything you can answer.
Me not big, mama.
Not everything you can toe to one thing like that. Sometimes.
Mama, I am toe to toeing. I am going straight to toe. Mama, I am toe to toeing. If them give me the head, me want the tail. If I egg, me is the yolk. Me a toe to toe with them. Right through. Remember, since you say, I'm a father, make me stay so, you know. So from birth, I uno born me so. Me never asked to be this child. Me could have been like Fen, because Fen don't make none trouble her. So remember, you know, 2 child right here. Let me make sure I show this. See, this is Fenny's. 2 child right here. Same mother, same father. You look at your face, but you're pregnant.
I know.
Same mother, same father. She, no worries. Not nobody her. All if house a tub up, but she stand up, she come like Beyonce. She not saying a word.
No.
She not saying a word. She don't make nothing bother her, nothing no stress her. Me toe to toe in. Me toe to toe in. Right through. If you call me name, but at the end of the day, no, you have to give it to me because I true me answer the people that make me not bury yet, because if some of them, if you leave it to some of them would have cover me long time. Yeah. Me have to stand up for myself. Me have to talk up for myself. Them tell lie for me, them stab me, them chop me, them do everything. Me have to come out and say, no, let me tell you how it go, and I say it go. So I have to toe to toe. Me have to talk for myself. Me no big, none at all.
Me little.
Be little.
Like I think for Joe.
Yeah. So me have to answer some of them.
You don't have to answer. Sometimes you don't have to answer.
Mama, that you tell me all my life, so me not fi answer, but me have to answer. See, somebody say, so we Leo stay, us Leos. My mother Leo too, but me no know my mother is a different Leo. Maybe true my mother get older now. Maybe my mother terrible when she little and she not talk. But me no know my mother is a Leo. No, you're not Leo, you pass Leo. She passed Leo and Nicholas is a Leo. She born August. My mom born August, me born August, but she had a Leo. She roll over to the Virgo. Yeah. But I guess when I get older, we need to teach them interview. We don't love foolishness. But yeah. They say, so which of your kids are like you? Which of my kids? I don't think none of them still like me or I don't see it yet.
The boy.
You think so?
Yes. Very outspoken.
My mother said Nicholas very outspoken.
But I outspoken too.
But feisty.
Think it, yeah.
Oh, so since as we had talked about kids before, I forget. Remember the other day when I was doing flow? I was doing flow innovation conference when I was teaching people about business and I was talking about where I'm coming from. I told you guys about my mom and how she was an entrepreneur when I was little. She used to sell, she used to hustle. She do everything, that's possible, to make money. And that's where I got my first teaching from. I was telling you guys about chicken food. So I'm going to make my mother tell you now. Give you two local instance. Because when me little, I forgot. You see how me stay now? No, I know because me an artist make me stay so. So some people might say, I chose your name Spice. No, I'm from a little before Spice. This is just me. Not Adan and Mekan being an artist. I've always been this person as a child. So as me tell you now, I told them on Flow, me I go tell uno know my fans because I know all I want to dip on it. So me we go into the story. So when I was younger, my mother used to sell chicken foot, which was one way of income, making money. Because my mom used to have a cook shop. She used to have a shop at Float Clarence Beach. Straight hustler. Working, making money all along. So she used to sell chicken foot at the house. So I was about
8.
8?
Yes.
I was about 8 years old.
7, 8.
7 or 8. My mother said I was about 7 or 8. So my mother said chicken foot. So for those of you who don't know chicken foot, we eat the foot of the chicken because the people in America don't really understand chicken foot. Yeah, buy some for what there. Yes, you did use it in a soup?
Yes.
You don't use it yet? Go wait there.
It's still there.
I want to show them because some people from America don't really know the foot of like chicken foot. People don't eat chicken foot.
But we use the boiled soup, we curry it and we stew it.
Yeah, I want to go feed.
You don't have to go feed.
No, because I want to show. And I'm Jamaican alone, they on the Instagram live. So I go show no.
So we curry it. We cook stew. We roast stew it. We cook it in stew peas.
Stew peas, yes.
Yes. So me used to go to buy the chicken foot at boilers.
Jamaica boilers, big up yourself. So my mother used to them call it see somebody said they call it the chicken claw. Okay. So them call it chicken claw. So my sister gone for the chicken foots because I went to it's in the other fridge, Fen. 2 fridge may have. Oh it go. So anyway, I went to the Jamaica store, as me telling you what day when me get the Milo and so. So I see chicken foot, but I've never seen chicken foot in Atlanta. So I grab up the chicken foot and I say, no, I have to buy this to my mother. Because I'm a pescatarian, I no longer eat like meat and stuff. But my mother, she eat her little chicken foot and stuff. She not eat everything, but me know say she love boiled soup with chicken foot. And me and her have a history of chicken foot because she also used to sell the chicken foot, right? So me take up it freeze up?
Yeah.
Me take up the chicken foot. Them can't see it. Jesus and peace. So anyway, the claw of the chicken foot will look like finger. Most of you from America don't really understand. I don't eat them something here. But yeah. Me take out the chicken foot when I go in at the something, right? And I say, no man, I have to buy this to my mother. Me really come see chicken foot at Atlanta. Mama, I forgot to buy some nice soup. Anyway, when I was about 7 years old, my mother used to sell the chicken foot. So everybody have an idea, oh, one chicken foot. Small. Somebody say run some water over it.
Run water.
They want to see it.
Okay.
Yeah. So, you know all the chicken foot small. Somebody say wash it off. You know all the chicken foot small. So, my mother sell the chicken foot. So, she teach me how to weigh the chicken foot in the scale since I was a child. Because that's, you know, how we make our living. So, me day home now and one lady come at the house and the lady say, she want pound of chicken foot. Was it a pound of chicken foot? She said she want pound of chicken foot. Mother go wash it off phone. Jesus space. See the chicken foot here. This is the chicken foot story. So this is the chicken foot. So for those of you who don't know what eat this. So anyway, we used to sell this to make money, right? And my mother used to buy it from boilers, as she say. Put it nice thing, sis. My mother used to buy it from chicken boilers and
From Jamaica
boilers and carry it home and then would have weigh it out in a little bag.
We would shake off the feather, wash it off and scald it off and then we strip it. Where your dad?
All right, you hear that?
So your dad used
Because we used to dip it in hot water to scald it off.
Yes.
Anyway, so we used to sell that and people would have come our house and come buy the chicken foot and would have wait and sell it to them. So a lady, long story short, the lady come now and she say, pound of chicken foot. Me now, 7 years old, go at the veranda and we have a scale where we would have take up the chicken foot and weigh it in at the scale. So I put some chicken foot on the scale. And you know, you look on the scale to see the weight. Put 2 little more chicken foot. My mama said, you know, me and them little. So I take up one chicken foot and put on the scale. That time my mother must up the road. Up the lane or something like that.
No, I go market. I went market and come back and I meet the lady.
Okay. Mother say, Mama, remember? You remember?
Yeah.
So far?
I tell you the story because you said the lady said.
Hold on. I'm going to sit on the side of Mama.
The lady said to me say, when I was coming. Yo, one little girl down there, me I tell you, she don't easy. Me buy the pound of chicken foot and tell her to give me one.
Wait. I get her yet. So anyway, the lady now she said she want a pound of chicken foot. So I weigh the chicken foot. Me give the lady a cup of chicken foot. The scale go over one. So I take off back one of the chicken foot. Here the lady, little girl. You really take off back one of chicken foot, put back your chicken foot. Me say, lady, a pound of chicken foot you buy, you never buy a pound and quarter. Me say, the woman vex. Me say, look here, a pound of chicken foot you buy, you never buy a pound and quarter. So me take off back the one chicken foot. So when she see my mother now, she go tell my mother, she must say my mother go beat me. A profit. We need the profit. When woman tell us, Mama,
But
when she see her, when she say,
oh, that little girl down there, she not easy, how she dry your eyes so. Look at me one chicken foot and look at woman say you never buy a pound you buy, you never buy a pound and quarter.
I was 7 years old. Yeah. 7 years old. But a pound she buy. I mean, need my mother profit for go to school and for get little money. You crazy? Me can't give her not even one chicken foot.
But you used to keep friend and me used to have to go buy the chicken foot and go buy. I think I used to sell coconut oil at that time too.
Really?
Remember? So.
Yeah, I'm my girlfriend.
No.
I'm my girlfriend.
No.
Fennis, see her there. I'm me girl. Hey, I'm on Instagram. I'm me girl Fennis. Yeah.
You stop to let friend with you and go get the chicken foot and go get stuff like that.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm me girl Fennis. The first time Fenny's get a beating from me, I gonna give it to her right now. See her there.
I can tell you the whole now.
Yes. No matter how she big now and pregnant, it's me grow her.
Yeah.
Me grow her because see my mother here. My mother used to work very hard. As me tell you no all the while now, when you see me now, just I tell you now, at first when I see my mother, so she can't tell you no fear. I said my mother used to work very hard.
Very hard.
She used to leave and go do her little thing, and me now take the initiative and be the big woman in the place. I take care of Fen and take care of Mayo. My other little brother when named Mayo. Me grow them. Fenny's now, the first lick she get from me. Cartel lick she gets. Other one there?
Yeah.
It's a cartel lick she get. It's a cartel lick she get. So when we used to live for one house, 2-bedroom and rare. Me is a strict mother, you know. No, that's why I see sometimes when people judge me, I just laugh. I am a very strict mother. When it comes to book, you have to take book. When it comes to housework and them something there, you have to do your housework. So me leave this little girl now until I say take her book. Me go away. When me come back at the house. Oh, the song go. You must be back and you get a rapid lick. Oh, this cartel song go. I don't mind for me, it was lower.
But at the long time cartel then.
A cartel song that me hear and play. After me leave this little girl in the house for do her schoolwork. But can't remember the cartel. Oh, whining song.
Yeah, but it was a whining song.
Anyway, I can't remember which cartel. A cartel song that me hear and play. You know what I do? I tip on my toe and go round at the back of the house because true me know say if me open the front door, the girl I go hear me and stop and turn off the song. Me just walk around at the back when me know say a room the road at the other side and lift up the little window in our room. Girl I practice for wine.
So
The girl, what I say?
that is so embarrassing.
The girl I practice the wine. You're crazy. Me and your mother. Yo,
Get some
where's Stephen?
I get some leak the day I say I couldn't even believe because my friend Nina because she just come in at the door and say, oh, a wine.
Yo, I give some lick. Say wine. A white some lick for her. Yeah, so she pregnant now. She turned big man and but she married. Crazy, I give her some lick. But she heard for wine. Yeah. So, that was Finn.
Yeah.
But I love my family. I live for them.
Yes.
Love my mom to death. Me, from my first money me I hold, me have been. As a matter of fact, this career path where I have because I'm a mother. Because to be honest, I got an opportunity to leave Jamaica when I was
9. And
9.
You go
yeah.
England?
My father died when I was 9, and
Okay. Yes.
my daddy died when I was 9.
Yes.
And Fen never born yet. Fen don't know her father, by the way, guys. My mom was pregnant when my father died, and I think she only found out about the pregnancy
Let me go to us.
when he died, and she got to the hospital, right? So Fenny's never got a chance to meet daddy. But I was saying my mom is the reason why me even there Jamaica, come back to Jamaica, and because so when my father died, my grandfather, may his soul rest in peace, that's my mom's dad. Nice man, he gave me the opportunity to go to England. I guess him tell mommy say, I'm not gonna send for me or whatever the case may
Because you
be.
did little and bright and thing like that, and he said,
What you hear what my mother say?
yes,
Hold on, mama.
yes,
Mama, hold on. Say that again.
yes, you're right. Granddad a letter.
You
And
say
she
little
said,
and?
When you think it was 5, and she said, "Oh, how old is this little girl?" And I said, 5. And I said, "This girl is 5, and write me this letter. I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to send for her." And she said, he sent for you when you was 9.
You hear that? I was little and bright. And that me what mama say again. I was little and bright. Anyway, so my grandfather sent for me now for come to England. So when we go to England now, that's because my father died. My mom was struggling with, all of us and stuff. So he was like, I'm super bright and I have great opportunities. So he's going to make me go to England. So I went to England. I was living there for a while. I was going to school in England.
Yes.
But something just never right in my spirit, man.
Because I said, you have to take care of Finn. And me have to go and buy the chicken foot and thing like that. So you tell Dad, say you want to come back to help me.
You hear that?
Yes.
You hear that?
Because say me have struggle to get with the chicken foot and thing like that.
You hear that?
So me call one Sunday. We went to the phone box and me call you one Sunday and you answer. After you answer.
Look at the mama. Look at him.
After you answer, you say, I want to go home, my mother.
Walk me yard. So the moral of the story though, England nice, I be a nice food. Me not used to them a big food, yeah. Because we come from humble beginnings. So my mom never had it as much as, my grandfather had it in England. So you're going to this new world as a little girl. Dog in the house. When you're there in Jamaica, dog outside. Dog outside and you throw a bone give dog. And when you go England, dog in the house with you. Dog up on your bed. But the great part about it is them give me this grand opportunity and me just at all me in my head, me have to go back to Jamaica to help my mother.
Yes.
Them give me the world. Life was beautiful over there. Like when I say I have everything, write your memoir, Grace Spice Official.
but when you come back and you miss the first common entrance, then this college.
Wait, me not ready for that bright part there yet. Hold on, mama. Let me give them the story properly. Cause since we talk, me not ready for that bright part there yet.
Come back from England.
Wait, no, mama. Me not ready for that part there yet. Yes. So when I go England now, me I tell you to say, me a ball, I tell them, say, look here. Me love you everything. Me like the big food and everything. The house nice and everything. Me have my own room in England and everything. When me there Jamaica, me and my sister them share the one bed. Me said, this nice, This very nice. But I want to go back to Jamaica. Yes. I want to go back home because I have to help my mother. Me say, look here, all of them pretty something here. Like it. But I want to go home, go help my mother. I told my grandfather, me say, look here, me have to go home and help my mother because my mother one dog at Jamaica and she have the 2 people them, which is Fenny's there. So where she see me there. Every time, that's why she have to take care of my 2 people them right now, right through. Me say, me have to go help my mother and my little sister and brother.
I'm more than 2. It was 5 of one at that time.
Right.
5.
But me just I say I want to help the longer one, which
the
is
younger one, yes.
Fennis and Mayo.
Yes.
Me say me cannot stay here, so sir, me have to go back home. Me never stop nag the man until the man send me back at Jamaica because every day, yay water, when them at the table with big food, me sit down a ball. What is wrong with you, Grace? Remember, I have a British accent, and this is where I get it from. Someone who never knows that me used to live in England. What's wrong with you, Grace? Me want to go. Me want to help my mother. Me want to go home and be that every day. So till the people them end up have to send me back to Jamaica. I saw so spice band.
Yes.
So spice band. My mother can tell you no. I start from young as me drop back at Jamaica. No itching. Yeah, so I could tell you about the bright part now, because I now got a part down, I have to hear me a little bit. I'm bright. Very brilliant. When I drop back at Jamaica now, I used to go to Britain school. So I used to go to Britain school now. The teacher, she can't pass the exam. She never did the syllabus. She never did the syllabus. She got to repeat and go back to grade 4 to Mr. Baker class because the syllabus was difficult and she not gonna pass. She have to go do a repeat and she just a go on. That's how me with my like a ball head now. Me I say, Miss, just give me a chance to take the exam now. Because
No,
that's
Miss Baker says Grace Bride, so you have to accept her because she little and bright. So you did pass the first chance, so that was the second chance.
common
Because it was
entrance.
yes, the two chance, and you go to England, you miss the first one, so you have the last one. So the teacher was saying, so you're not going to pass the last one. So Miss Baker said, yes, she will pass. Give her a chance. And so she give you the chance. She accept you back in school and you pass.
Big up to Miss Baker. Because
Brighton School.
when I sit the common entrance at Brighton All Age School, I never did the syllabus. I never did the syllabus at all. Me just go sit the common entrance and Miss Baker say, she believe in me, give me the chance.
But I'm a pass. Wait,
pass.
wait there. You see, you don't, a lot of things that you don't tell them because they say when you come back, the fridge, when we were selling the chicken foot, the fridge did break down. And I couldn't buy that amount of chicken foot that I used to buy. Like I used to buy one bag. That one bag was, I think, a 60 pound well in the bag. And through the fridge breakdown, I could only buy like 20 pound. So I couldn't send you to school for the whole of the week. Because I send you 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Because I never have enough money to send you Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. So one day,
Wanna hear that?
One day now, you said the teacher said, what happened? You're not coming to school. You're not coming to school for 3 days. What happened? And I think you tell the teacher, say, my mother don't have any money to send me come to school. But one day now, I dey home and I see her cry, I come. And I said to me, what happened? And I said, you said, Mama, I'm not going to pass my exam because I said, you can't send me to school more than 2 days. And I said, Grace, you will pass your exam. Remember what I said when you come? I said, started to pray.